Hi everyone! Welcome to our Snow Day art project. In your kit, you should see 2 sheets of blue paper, a white crayon, and some chalk. In today's art project, let's start drawing some of the snowflakes that we see outside. What kind of snowflakes do you see? What kind of shapes? Can you look at them really closely? Can you draw as many snowflakes as you can? I'm going to draw the swirls of the wind, the snow blowing all around. Ooh, it's blowing so quickly, everywhere. And I'm getting my chalk. How is the snow moving outside? Fill up your whole page. See how much snow you can add to the entire sheet of paper. Make sure you add your name so that you can share it with all of your friends.